Galaxy S22 Ultra with stylus replacement for Samsung Note series. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be officially introduced soon with an updated design with S Pen compartment and faster charging options. Hi everyone, Hamad from Technology Trends. If you enjoy a video like this, then be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any new videos on Technology Trends. For less than 3 weeks, Samsung will announce the new Galaxy S22 series. By now, by far the most details are already known about the 3 expected models. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will be new top model. The smartphone will have a completely new design with integrated S Pen and will therefore replacement both the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. In October 2021, Let's Go Digital already revealed that the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the only model within the S series 2022 to have a water-top camera design. The phone also gets favor rounded corners in order to keep enough space for the S Pen compartment. This week, the phone looked a lot more business-like than the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus. Using all available information, graphic designer Jermaine Smet aka concept creator has created a series of product renders of Samsung expected top model Samsung S22 Ultra introduction on February 9, 2022. To start with the release date, this also seemed to be becoming more clear in the meantime. Some time ago, it was rumored from Korea that Samsung will schedule a Galaxy Unpacked launch event on February 8, 2022. However, it did not take long before the well-known leaker Exynos announced via Twitter that the new S series smartphone will most likely be announced on Wednesday, February 9, 2022. ICE has since reported this message on the Chinese social media platform Weibo with the announcement that he has 100% sure. On Wednesday, February 9, 2022, the official release will take place at 11 p.m. beginning time. I said, that is 16 Dutch time. This sounds very plausible. The time corresponds to previous years, although no release date is mentioned. We consider it very likely that the new S series smartphone will be released on Friday 25 February 2022. Exynos also confirmed that the Galaxy Tab S8 series will be introduced simultaneously with the S22 series. 3 high-end Android tablet models are expected. In addition to a basic model, Samsung will also announce a Galaxy Tab S8 Plus and a Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Galaxy S22 Ultra with improved stylus pen. The new top model will be equipped with a 6.8 curved Super AMOLED display with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. A 40MP punch-hole selfie camera is integrated at the top center. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a rectangular design with very narrow screen edges. Combined with the rounded screen, the phone has a stylish look that will appeal to many business users. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victors. For the first time in the history of the Galaxy S series, the new Ultra model will feature an integrated S Pen holder. You can enter the stylus pen at the bottom of the device and store it in the designated compartment. This functionality has been characteristic for the Note series for years. Now that Samsung has said goodbye to the Note series, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will take over this feature. Recently, YouTuber Zaryab Khan announced via Twitter that the functionality of Samsung stylus will be further improvement in the form of lower latency. The Note 20 was an S Pen with a daily of 26 ms. The Note 20 Ultra got an extra good stylus with a latency of 9 ms. The new Galaxy S22 Ultra will be characterized by a delay of only 2.8 ms. In practice, this means that working with the S Pen will feel just as natural as writing with a pen on a piece of paper. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, Samsung Exynos 2200. Samsung traditionally used 2 chipsets for its S series smartphone, which are used for the entire lineup depending on the region. In Europe, the Exynos variant is usually used. This year, it concerns the Samsung Exynos 2200. This SoC was officially introduced last week. However, there is still some uncertainty as to whether which chipset will actually be used. There have been several signals that Samsung has encountered serious problems during the development of the Exynos 2200. Thus, the company seems to be planning to deploy the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in more regions than entirely planned. Whether this will also mean that this powerful SoC can be found in the Dutch model remains to be seen. Regardless of which variant we get in the Netherlands, the phone will support the 5G mobile internet network. In addition, several memory variants will be made available. It is disappointing that Samsung will provide the base model with less RAM compared to the S21 Ultra 8GB instead of 12GB. The following memory variants are expected to be made available: 8GB RAM by 128GB, 12GB RAM by 256GB, 12GB RAM by 512GB, 16GB RAM by 1TB. A Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with 1TB of memory is expected, but it is quite possible that it will only be introduced at a later date. It is possible that Samsung will also make additional colors available by then. The company used this strategy more often. Of course, the new Galaxy model will run on the Android operating system like the Galaxy S21 FE launched earlier this month. The Galaxy S22 models will also run on the Android 12 operating system in combination with the One UI 4.1 user interface. 108MP camera with super clear lens. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be equipped with a quadruple camera. It is a new 108MP megapixel main camera with a super clear lens and OIS. The renewed lens is intended and counteract the effect of reflections and glares. The lens is also equipped with Gorilla Glass to private stretches, which can affect the recording quality. Earlier it became clear that the renewed 108MP camera should deliver better image quality with a high level of detail and contrast. The 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera remains unchanged. This also appeals to the two 10MP telephoto cameras that enable 3x and 10x optical zoom. The telephoto camera also have optical image stabilization. It is a versatile camera setup, applicationable in a wide variety of shooting conditions. Samsung recently announced in a blog post about the S22 Ultra that the evening shoot will also look better than even before, with more detail and clarity. Of course, Samsung will also pay the necessary attention to the audio system. A dual speaker is built in the tuned by AKJ and with supported for Dolby Atmos for a beautiful sound experience. Support 45W charging. The top model in the S series is equipped with a large battery of 5000 mAh. Fortunately, Samsung has corrected its mistake for last year. The smartphone will in fact support 45W wire charging just like the S20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra. With the newer S21 Ultra, Samsung decided for unknown reasons to reduce the maximum charging power to 25W. Unfortunately, Samsung will not include a charger in the sale package. The company already started this trend at the time of S21 series. Last week, we noticed that Samsung has now listed the new 45W fast charging on its website. The new charger will cost €50 in the Netherlands. In addition to wire charging, it will also be possible to charge the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra wirelessly. Wireless charging will be slower. Presumably, the new flagship will support 15W wireless charging. Reverse wireless charging will also be supported. This way, you can also charge accessories such as your Galaxy Buds, earbuds, or your Galaxy Watch 4 Samsung Watch using your phone's battery. Price, colors of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You will soon be able to buy Samsung top model in 4 standard colors: Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green and Burgundy. Green and Burgundy will be the new colors at the end of 2021. Let's Go Digital managed to obtain the first official press image of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which shows this new color. Little information is known about any exclusive color option which are exclusively offered via the Samsung website. However, there have been several rumors about a dark red S22 Ultra. Whether it will belong to the custom colors remain unclear for the time being. It is expected that Samsung will put put the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra on the market slightly more expensive than its predecessor. In addition, you get as standard less memory 8GB RAM instead of 12GB. However, the S Pen will be included as standard this time, unlike the charger. Samsung is expected to charge the following price: 8GB by 128GB model, expected price approximately 1,300 euros. 12GB 256GB model, expected price approximately 1,400 euros. 12GB by 512GB model, expected price approximately 1,500 euros. The price of the 1TB model is not yet known. To get an idea, Apple charges a surcharge of 230 euros for the 1TB variant of the iPhone 13 Pro compared to the 512GB model. In less than 3 weeks, Samsung will reveal at the retail during the Galaxy Unpacked event, which can also be followed via a live stream. The pre-order period will probably starting immediately after the official introduction. The Galaxy Buds 2 may be included for the free if you decided to buy the Galaxy S22 Ultra during the pre-sale. Of course, it will also be possible to buy the telephone with the subscriptions. Also, Dutch Telecom provides will offer the new S-series models including KPN, T-Mobile, Vodafone and Tele2. Thanks and bye for now.